Welcome to my channel. Meditation offers significant benefits for both health and fitness. It reduces stress, promotes relaxation, and enhances mental clarity, leading to improved focus and concentration. Regular practice cultivates emotional well-being, boosts self-awareness, and improves cognitive function. It also complements physical exercise by enhancing performance and reducing anxiety. Overall, meditation is a powerful practice that positively impacts both the mind and body. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Improved physical performance. Improved physical performance is one of the key benefits of meditation. By incorporating mindfulness techniques into their training regimen, athletes can experience enhanced performance in their respective sports. Meditation helps athletes cultivate mental resilience, improve focus, and maintain a calm state of mind, even in high-pressure situations. It aids in managing pre-competition anxiety and stress, allowing athletes to perform at their best. By integrating meditation into their routine, athletes can optimize their physical abilities and unlock their full potential, leading to improved results and achievements in their athletic endeavors. Number 9. Pain management. Meditation has shown promising benefits in the realm of pain management. Through focused attention and deep relaxation, meditation techniques can help individuals cope with chronic pain conditions. By developing a non-reactive and accepting mindset, meditation allows individuals to observe pain sensations without judgment, reducing their emotional and mental suffering. It also enhances pain tolerance and provides a sense of control over pain perception. This holistic approach to pain management can offer individuals a greater sense of well-being, improved quality of life, and reduced reliance on medication for pain relief. Number 8. Lowered blood pressure. One notable benefit of meditation is its potential to lower blood pressure. Regular meditation practice has been associated with reduced blood pressure levels. By inducing a state of relaxation and calm, meditation helps to alleviate stress and anxiety, which are known contributors to high blood pressure. It promotes a sense of overall well-being and helps to balance the autonomic nervous system, leading to improved cardiovascular health. By incorporating meditation into their routine, individuals may experience significant improvements in their blood pressure levels, ultimately promoting better heart health. Number 7. Boosted immune system. Meditation has been linked to a boosted immune system. Regular practice of meditation has shown positive effects on immune function by reducing inflammation and strengthening the body's natural defense mechanisms. The relaxation response induced by meditation helps to lower stress hormones and alleviate chronic stress, which can suppress the immune system. Research suggests that individuals who practice meditation regularly may experience enhanced immune response, reduced risk of infections, and improved overall health. By supporting immune function, meditation contributes to a stronger, more resilient body. Number 6. Better sleep quality. Better sleep quality is a significant benefit of meditation. By promoting relaxation and calming the mind, meditation can help individuals achieve deeper and more restful sleep. Regular practice of meditation has been shown to reduce insomnia symptoms, improve sleep onset, and increase overall sleep duration. By cultivating a state of relaxation before bedtime, meditation helps to quiet racing thoughts and alleviate stress and anxiety that can disrupt sleep. Moreover, meditation enhances mindfulness and self-awareness, allowing individuals to identify and address any underlying factors that may be interfering with their sleep. The result is a more rejuvenating and restorative sleep, leading to increased daytime energy and improved overall well-being. Number 5. Enhanced cognitive function. Enhanced cognitive function is a notable benefit of meditation. Regular meditation practice has been associated with improvements in various cognitive abilities. Studies suggest that meditation can enhance memory, attention, and decision-making skills. By training the mind to stay present and focused, meditation improves concentration and reduces cognitive distractions. It also promotes neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections and adapt to changing circumstances. Moreover, meditation reduces stress and anxiety, which can impair cognitive function. As a result, individuals who regularly engage in meditation may experience heightened mental clarity, improved cognitive performance, and a greater capacity for learning and problem solving. Number 4. Increased self-awareness. Increased self-awareness is a profound benefit of meditation. Through regular practice, meditation cultivates a deeper understanding of oneself, including thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By observing the mind without judgment or attachment, individuals gain insight into their patterns and triggers. This heightened self-awareness allows for greater control over reactions and choices in various aspects of life. It fosters a sense of authenticity and alignment with one's values and aspirations. Ultimately, increased self-awareness through meditation empowers individuals to live more consciously and intentionally. Number 3. Emotional well-being. Emotional well-being is a significant benefit of meditation. Regular practice of meditation has been shown to promote emotional balance, resilience, and overall well-being. By cultivating mindfulness and non-reactivity, meditation allows individuals to observe their emotions without judgment, creating space for greater self-awareness and understanding. It helps to regulate and manage emotions, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Moreover, meditation enhances emotional intelligence, fostering empathy, compassion, and positive relationships with others. By developing a sense of inner calm and equanimity, individuals can navigate life's challenges with greater ease and experience an overall sense of emotional well-being and contentment. Number 2. Improved mental clarity. Improved mental clarity is a significant benefit of meditation. Regular meditation practice helps to calm and quiet the mind, reducing mental clutter and enhancing mental clarity. By training the mind to stay present and focused, meditation cultivates the ability to observe thoughts without getting entangled in them. This leads to increased mental clarity, sharper cognitive function, and improved decision-making abilities. Additionally, meditation promotes a state of relaxation, reducing stress and anxiety that can cloud the mind. The practice also enhances mindfulness, enabling individuals to be fully engaged in the present moment and better able to prioritize tasks and maintain mental resilience. Number 1. Stress reduction. Stress reduction is one of the primary benefits of meditation. Regular practice of meditation has been shown to effectively lower stress levels and promote relaxation. By focusing attention and cultivating a state of mindfulness, meditation helps individuals become more aware of their stress triggers and responses. It allows them to observe thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them, leading to a greater sense of calm and well-being. Moreover, meditation activates the body's relaxation response, reducing the production of stress hormones such as cortisol. This in turn helps alleviate symptoms of anxiety, tension, and overwhelm, providing individuals with a valuable tool to manage and mitigate the effects of stress in their lives. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.